Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about ZILLIQA, and that's right. The title of this video is, I just went all in on ZILLIQA. Well, what does that mean? Did I really go all in on ZILLIQA? I'm going to talk a little bit about that in today's video, so stick around to the end, and I'll explain exactly what I mean and why I did what I did. Before I get into the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, take advantage of the free money in the links in the description down below. When you sign up for Crypto.com, you get some free money. Also, when you sign up for FeeMax and you deposit some money in there, you get some free money towards that next long or short that you might want to make on the market. Today would have been a good day to short, but tomorrow might be a good day to long. So let's jump into the video, guys. Also, appreciate you tuning in today. So let's take a peek here what we got going on in the charts. So today we're down. Bitcoin down below $30,000 again. Ethereum down to 1,600, really taking a dip. And, you know, a lot of these projects are down for the day. Cardano up for the week here, but everything's down. Everything's down today. So, including Crypto.com. And, of course, let's take a peek at ZILLIQA. So ZILLIQA currently sitting in a market cap of, wow, just over $500,000. And over the last day, took a little bit of a dip downward. And here, I'll tell you, I went in with a big chunk. I've been DCAing, of course, but I went in with a big chunk the other day. All in with my CRO card stake that I had locked up. So I'm a big Crypto.com believer, guys, and I still believe in Crypto.com. But recently, they took away their card benefits. Now, I still have a lot. Most of the projects that I'm involved in outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum are CRO is one of my biggest holdings. But I took my stake that I had locked up for my card and I moved it into ZILLIQA because my benefits really aren't that great with my Crypto.com card anymore. And granted, I have so many CRO tokens sitting in the DeFi app earning me so much interest that I'm diversifying a little bit because the price on this project is just so darn cheap I could not pass up. Now, of course, we could go back down to the 2-cent level. In fact, I think it's likely, but I'm a long-term holder. I'm going to continue to DCA, and I'm optimistic about this project because Terra Luna came craving down, and it's gone. Solana struggling a little bit. Some of the other projects been along for a while, a lot of promise and a lot of work to be done, and ZILLIQA included, but this one is an up-and-coming project, and I'm trying to get a little bit of money into projects that have a lot of upward potential, and ZILLIQA is one of my number one targets for that from a standpoint of a coin that's below, you know, the top 50 rank. I think this should be a top 50 coin. One day it could be a top 20 coin, and I like that I've got a big old stack sitting in there, and I got thousands upon thousands of tokens now for ZILLIQA, and I love it. I'm very, very, very excited. When you guys look at the Twitter and you guys peek at the excitement in this community, they almost have 500,000 followers. They're doing a lot. ZILLIQA City in the Metropolis, you get to customize your character. You get to go into the ZILLIQA universe. So really an exciting project. They're doing a lot more with this, and they're making sure that they're sharing it with the community here, on their Twitter. And it's just constant. They are very, very, very active. And they are going to go places, especially as some of these other projects start to struggle. A lot of you guys might have seen my recent video about Binance and how they're in a lawsuit with the SEC. Well, that could bleed some market share into other projects that are smart chain plays. One of those could be ZILLIQA. ZILLIQA still doesn't have a lot of total value locked up in the project, a couple million, but there's a lot of room for growth there. And I look at that as not a negative, but being an optimist, liking what I see with this project. And they're focusing in on gamifying and getting involved with play-to-earn games. I think there's a lot of room for this project to grow. So the markets are down today, and the blood is in the streets, which means we best be buying, y'all, because even if Bitcoin goes down to $22,000, $20,000, God forbid $12,000, we've still got a lot of time. This is the accumulation period, guys, and it's your opportunity to make money. If the money that I put into ZILLIQA does what I want it to do, it does what we all want it to do, well, from a 5 cent about price point here. And again, I got a lot more costs on this because I've been DCAing, but I just took a big buy with my stake from my CRO card that I took out, like I said. And it goes back to 23 cents. Then all of a sudden, you know, that could 5x my money. And all of a sudden, I'm 5 times richer on that stack that I have on ZILLIQA. Not to mention, I still have so many CRO. CRO is going to rebound as well. Bitcoin, it'll all rebound together. It all follows Bitcoin. But this is what I'm looking at, guys. I mean, you've got an opportunity for a 5x back to the all-time highs. If ZILLIQA goes lower, I'm even more excited. Even though I have a stack that I just threw in, I'm even more excited because I still have cash coming in. I work a full-time job. I'm looking for alternate sources of revenue because I need cash to buy projects like ZILLIQA, like Crypto.com, FTX, Binance even. You know, it's got some sketchy news with the SEC, but it's a huge project. It's not going anywhere. It could bleed some market share, like I said, but Bitcoin, Ethereum, the same. You know, as these prices go down, we're looking for opportunities to buy. I took my CRO stake. I took it out because the benefits, frankly, they're not even that much worth it right now. I still like spending on my CRO card with some of the interest I get a little bit, but you know what? I'm into the diversification game right now. I don't want to be over diversified, but I want to get access to some upward potential projects. Well, they're cheap. And that's exactly what we did with ZILLIQA here. Over the last 3 months, we've been trading pretty darn sideways as soon as we kind of hit the bottom. I mean, right at 5 cents, we've been sideways. I'm hoping we sustain this level. I'm hoping Bitcoin sustains this level. So far, the month of June has just been trading sideways, which is great because that's an accumulation period. And we should be getting close to the bottom here, which means doubling, tripling down on the accumulation period because the money is made in the bear markets, not in the bull markets, guys. We got to buy low and sell high, and that's exactly what I intend to do. Big investment in ZILLIQA lately. Let me know what you guys think about that move and that play. Judge me in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on ZILLIQA, the Metapolis, and how they're getting involved with play-to-earn games. I'm very excited. Are you? That's all I got for today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Remember, guys, smash up like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.